Hello, primitive navigators the world over. Shout out to Luke Bruno. Hey, what's up, Luke? Alright, coming at you with my first day of predictions. Today is Monday, November 26th. I would say that the temperature is approximately 41 degrees. Because of the extensive cloud cover, I'm going to estimate humidity at 80%. We have some stratus clouds up in the sky, so I'm going to say that we have a warm front approaching. Surface winds, I'd say, are roughly 10 miles per hour, which puts it at a 3 on the Beaufort scale. A little bit hard to ascertain the winds aloft, but I'm going to say that they are traveling eastward. We have had 0% precipitation today, but tomorrow, because of the incoming warm front that I predict, I think that we're going to have rain for approximately 70% of the day. Tomorrow I think is going to be 45 degrees, and I think that we'll have humidity of 100%. First day of observation done.
Sometimes I grow so tired.
Hello, primitive navigators the world over. This is day 2 of predictions. Today is Tuesday, November 27th. Temperature today, it's snowed, kind of rained, a mixture a little bit, so temperature has to be probably like 35 degrees. Humidity is 100%. It's been raining and really shitty. Started raining at like noon, stopped raining near midnight, so 50% precipitation during the day. Clouds had 100% coverage. Surface winds were pretty minimal. I'd say a Beaufort 1. And the winds aloft, again, are always hard to tell, but I thought that the wind was traveling south. We also had some nimbus stratus up in the sky. So, what do I think is going to happen tomorrow? Very much think tomorrow is going to be like day. I'm going to say the temperature is going to be the same. I'm going to just put it at 35 degrees. I think that we're going to have about 50% humidity, and I think that we're going to have no precipitation as this front moves out. Hello, primitive navigators the world over. This is my third day of predictions. It is Wednesday, November 28th. And it snowed a little bit today, so the temperature must be pretty low. I'm going to say that it's at 32 degrees. Humidity was very high at 90% because of the rain, all the cloud cover. As a matter of fact, I believe cloud cover was about 100%. It would last all throughout the day. Winds were fairly light. I'm going to put it at a Beaufort 2. Winds aloft are always difficult for me to determine, but I believe they were southbound again today. And in terms of cloud formation, we had the nimbostratus up in the sky. Precipitation was snowy, wintry mix for about 4 hours, so I'm going to put that at like 20% of the day. Let's talk about in terms of tomorrow. So I thought the front was going to pass today. It did not. So assuming it passes tomorrow, I think we're going to have 0% precipitation. As the cloud cover begins to move out, we'll have a fall in humidity. I'm going to say it's going to be around 25%. In terms of the temperature, I think it's going to warm up a bit, and we're going to see temperatures of 40 degrees. I will see you all on the flip side. See you tomorrow. Hello, primitive navigators the world over. This is Jacob coming at you with my fourth day of predictions. Today is Thursday, November 29th. The temperature is pretty warm today. I'm going to put it at 40 degrees. I think I was right yesterday with my prediction. Humidity, I'm going to say, is 30%. Cloud cover was pretty great in the afternoon, so I'm going to say that it was about 50% of the day. The winds are kind of strong, kind of not strong. I'm going to put it at Beaufort 2 or Beaufort 3. In terms of cloud formation, I think that we had some cirrocumulus and a few scattered stratus in the sky, but we had no rain today. So I think that these clouds are just lingering from yesterday. I really don't think we have a new front coming in. So because of that, I don't think we're going to have any rain tomorrow. I think that we'll only have a little bit of humidity, 30%, and I think that the temperature is probably going to stay around the same. I'm going to put it at 38 degrees tomorrow. All right, very good, people. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, primitive navigators the world over. This is Jacob coming at you with my fifth day of predictions. Today is Friday, November 30th. Today was pretty nippy outside. I'm going to put the temperature at 27 degrees. It really got nice and cold. It's pretty overcast today. Humidity, I'm going to say, was fairly high at 70%. Cloud coverage, I think, was also approximately 70% of the day. Winds were light, though. I'm going to put it at a Beaufort 1. Winds aloft looked like they were eastbound to me. In terms of cloud formation, I saw a lot of cool stuff today. A lot of cool stuff. Saw some mare's tails, which means we had some circus clouds. Saw some mackerel scales, which means we had some cirrocumulus. And I think I also saw some rollers, which were altocumulus. So what does that mean? I think it means that we have a front coming in. Also, by the way, it did not rain today. But tomorrow, I think it is going to rain. I think we got a front. So, I think that we're going to see rain for approximately 80% of the day. The humidity is going to be high, 100%. And the temperature, though, is going to be slightly warmer. I'm going to put it at 35 degrees. We're going to warm up a bit. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see if I'm right about this storm. I hope I'm not. Primitive Navigators the world over. Looks like you're done with me. Today is my last day of predictions. Well, I'm not going to predict anything actually, but it's my last day of observation. It's December 1st. Today was pretty cold because it snowed. It was probably, I'd say, 28 degrees. Humidity, I'm going to say, was at 100% because of all this shitty snow. Cloud coverage, I was inside for a lot of the day, but it seemed to me like it was the entire day, so I'm going to say 100% cloud coverage. Winds were light. I'm going to put that at a Beaufort 1, and I believe that the winds aloft were heading eastward. In terms of clouds, we had some nimbo stratus up in here. And I think it rained and slash snowed, so that's whatever mix this was for probably 40% of the day. Alrighty, I'll see you guys. Thanks for listening to the project. Just kidding, I lied. I have to talk about figure of merit really quickly. So, my average figure of merit was 12% over the period of days. My standard deviation was 13. In terms of the figure of merit from persistence, the average was 16%. It was really hurt by the last day when it was actually 40% precipitation, but the day before had 0. Anyways, the figure of merit from persistence average was 16%, standard deviation was 17, so I did better than merit, than persistence, which is awesome. Alright, this is the real end of my project. Thanks for listening.